Hello people, welcome back to my channel.
Stop being weird, bruh. What's wrong with you?
Now, if you're new here, my name is Simnikiwe Majuqulana, and if you've been here from my very first vlog, thank you so much for tuning back in. Today is Friday, 22nd of November. We're going to the beach. We are going to the beach. If you're new here, please do click the subscribe button below and a like so that you can be a part of our fam. Okay, bye. Still remember my plot twist story from my previous vlog and my other vlog. Yeah, so I'm going to campus. It's I think it's 7:15. Yeah, episode. Yeah, I'm going to campus to study. Transfer. How about you? It's finally in the morning. It's 7 but what time is it? Probably 7:30. Oh, 7:15. The sun is that side and we're going home. We had a productive study session. This is tiring, by the way. Yeah, you wanna say bye? Bye. Peace. Hello vlog. I am not having. Okay, this is a weird setup. My roommate just left and I'm left alone. I was crying, by the way, but hi, I also have to pack because I'm leaving on Sunday. Today it's Thursday. The living state of this room is really not good. It's really not good. Like I'm feeling so. But yeah, guys, I am going home. Native. Umlindo being dramatic. No, bro. How could you do that, bro?
No, come on.
Come on.
How
Could you do that, bro? How could you do that?
Where you going?
All my friends tell me I'll be better from Yvonne. And you is my grave.
We have a problem. Oh, I do have a pimple, so just look away. Like, I have so much of these clothes and then those tissue papers. Why are my lips so dry? Yo. Sorry guys, I can't find my thing because of a situation near Lapa. Hi guys, copyright. Okay, it is the next day. I literally just slept yesterday and I don't know, but I feel like I keep on making a mess instead of cleaning this up. But I did like there's progress, and yeah, I'm about to wash my sneakers. I'm about to wash my shoes. I am finally leaving, people.
I'm closing in. We've been too long. Getting tired. Another go. I'm for way too long. Getting tired of.
From our whole broadcast.
Thank you, baby, thank you. This is all her.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Say bye.
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
Good morning, people. Today is Wednesday, the 4th of December, and see ya. Anyways, Scapa. Look at that YouTube.
I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you.
Put your bag there. If your bag is lost, the company will be.
To find someone like you. Baby, I want you.
Hello, people. I probably look like a para right now, but it's a story. It's a story, another story.
Okay. Sister, another story.
Just got muffins, about to buy chocolates, and then we get on the road. Currently at Montrose. I am tired, but I will keep on updating you guys when I get to Kimberley. Yeah. I did Moana.
Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes.
to Worcester in one piece. It's my first time going in the mall. Imagine, I've been here a couple of times, but I really need to pee, and I also have to take out cash, so I really don't know what's going on in this mall, but you're gonna find out. It is blazing hot, guys. It is hot in Western Cape, and I'm wearing hoodie and socks and everything, and I'm even carrying a blanket. Imagine, but it's okay. I'm gonna eat now, and then I'm gonna leave this town by 12. I still have 2 more towns. Imagine, but because ndilambile, guys, I saw it. Look at me vlogging in public. That's embarrassing. In public. Okay, bye guys, bye. This is big as my head. Imagine. Good morning, people. Rise and shine. I think it's around 7 a.m. Yesterday, guys, lapha ebhasini baphula suitcase lam, and I'm not about to talk about that because that's gonna piss me off. On top of usuku so that's a short curve, but don't mind it. I'll play the clips of everyone leaving. Yeah, man. Do you want to say hi? Okay, that's my sister. See you on my next vlog, peeps.